A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying your chapter number 4, that is more about keyboard. Today we are going to move to part 2 of this chapter. So, all of you are ready with your textbook, dear children? Yes, in our previous video lesson, we have studied about the alphabet keys and the number keys. Today we are going to learn about the special keys. Okay, and in that the first one is space bar key. Okay, the space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. See, here you are having your space bar key and it is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the text. For example, to type Ashish Mathur, first type the word Ashish, then press space bar and then type word Mathur. Now, ma'am will show you this, okay? In Notepad, we will type Ashish Mathur, okay? See, here is your cursor and this is your keyboard. Here is your keyboard. So, first of all, we will type Ashish. Okay. Then we will use the space bar key. Then we will type Mathur. That is Ashish Mathur. So, to give space between the text, we use the space bar key. Understood, dear children? Yes. Next is your enter key. It is used to bring the cursor to the next line. It is also known as return key. See, this is your enter key. Okay, and it is also known as return key. A keyboard has two enter keys. Okay, yes, it has two enter keys. One is here and the other one is here. Two enter keys are there. A cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor where the next typed letter or number appears. Now, see, this is a small blinking line. This is known as a cursor. The small blinking line is known as a cursor. Now, we have to move to next line. Okay, so how we will move? We will press the enter key. Here you are having the enter key. See, now our cursor is on the next line. Again, you can write anything which you want. For suppose, we will type computer. Okay, the word computer is written. Understood? Clear? In the same way, you can do this lap time, dear children. What you have to do? You have to open the notepad. See, this is your notepad. Okay, this is your notepad. And you have to type, I like computer. Okay, so let us also do that. Okay, so I will just delete it. Okay, with the help of the backspace key. Then I will write here then like computer. See, ma'am is using the space bar key to give the space between the text. Okay, I am using the space bar key to give the space. Understood, dear children? Yes, in this way you can do. Then what you have to do, press enter key once, the cursor will move to the next line. And then you have to type, I am in class 2. Okay, now our cursor is over here. Now we have to press enter key and you have to write, I am in class 2. Okay, see, now we have written something wrong over here. So, how we will erase it? With the help of the backspace key. See, this is your backspace key. Class then you will write 2 like this. Okay, I am in class 2. Understood? See, backspace key is used to erase anything typed on the left hand side of the cursor. See, now here is your cursor, and if you have written something wrong, so we can use the backspace key to erase it. Okay, if you want to erase something on the left hand side, so you will use the backspace key like this. Understood, dear children? Clear? Okay, in the same way you can do this lap time. Then is your delete key. The delete key erases the letters on the right hand side of the cursor. Okay, right hand side. Let us see. See, our cursor is over here. Then we will press the delete key. Okay, dear kids, like this. To erase on the right hand side of the cursor. To erase something on the right hand side of the cursor. Understood, dear kids? Are you all clear? Next, you are having the arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys. Okay. That is to move in 4 different directions. These are also called cursor control keys. Okay. See, the upper arrow key is used to move the cursor up. The down is used to move the cursor down. And same way left and right. See, here you are having the arrow keys. Okay. Here you are having the arrow keys. Up, down, left and right. So if we want to move up, we will use the upper arrow key like this. If we want to go down, we will use the down arrow key. If we want to move to left, we will use the left arrow key like this. And in the same way, the right arrow key like this. Understood? Are you all clear? In the same way, you have to do this lap time as your homework, dear children. Okay? For today, this was it. Now we will meet next time with something more interesting in computer. Till then, bye-bye all. God bless you. Take care.